Today's session is going to be about Excel date and time functions. Actually, I have already prepared an example table on Excel sheet on which we will actually work, and I will show you how the date and time functions are working and functioning actually in Excel. So, what we have here, as you can see on the screen and on the table, we have a year, we have a month, we have a day, we have an hour, minute, and second. Then I've added a date, a time, and date and time together. So what means this? This means that I want to see under date these three under column G, and I want to see this under column H, under time, and I want to see all of this combined in date and time. So how we can make this? I'm gonna show this to you. So we are coming in the empty cell under date. And of course, as I've told you on my previous tutorial, all the formulas in Excel should start with equal sign, as this is the beginning of each formula. So we want to see the date, means year, month, and day, to be shown under the column G under date. So we are saying equal, we are typing date, and we are opening brackets. And now we have to mention where is the year. As you actually you can see that Excel is already having some tips which are showing to you what you have to type and how to you can separate it. So after this we are typing simply column A, line 2, and then we are separating it with semicolon, and then we are saying that we want to see month, so column B, line 2. And then we are saying that we want to see the day, which actually is column C, line 2, and we are closing the brackets. So as you can see, this is the formula, and this is how you can combine the data from the first three columns into one and make the year, month, day from separated part to into a one cell. And if I will press now enter, you can see now that it's actually counting it exactly on the format of your PC. As you can see, as the month is just the first one, it's counting as 01, and day is the fourth. So this is actually the formula for the date part. Here, of course, we are applying the absolutely same, just we need to combine the time. So it is different because here we have a year, month, and day, but in time we have hours, minutes, and seconds. So how this would work? Again, I'm saying that we are starting the formula with equal sign, and this time instead of date, we are typing simply time, opening the brackets and typing. So we need first an hour. This means column D, line 2, separating it with same column. Then we are saying that we need a minute, so that's column E, line 2, separating it again, and we need the seconds, means column F, line 2. And we just simply close the brackets. So as you can see, this is the formula. Time, opening brackets, choosing the hour, minutes, and seconds in order, of course, how you would like to be shown, and closing the brackets. And once you press enter, so sorry, I just have to make it a bit more wider. No, actually, this is because of the regional settings, and it's combining basically the duration. So this is why I have just simply to change my settings, regional settings, how the seconds to be counted as well, so to be shown. Or you just simply can come here, right click on the cell in case you receive something similar. You are right click on it, you are saying format cell, and then you, as you can see here how it's written, then you just simply can choose this way, and as you can see, we're gonna show the seconds as well. But of course, this is the day, so that's the reason why I have to change my regional settings. Okay, so what's the next actually? On the next part of this table, we would like to see all this data from these columns to be combined under one and to be shown as a date and after that the time. So how this is gonna happen? Actually, this is the most easiest part because that's actually really simple so that we don't have to combine everything. We just come here and start again our formula with equal sign, and then just basically instead of choosing all of the columns, how we were doing in the first two functions, we just simply type G2 combine, which is plus sign, with H2, and just simply press enter. So what we can see now is the date, so the year, month, day, then we can see the hour, minute, and seconds. I hope this was useful and was interesting for all of you who are watching the video and tutorial. So I hope that you will be able to use it, and in case you have questions, you can always comment below the video and I will try to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching the video and see you on the next tutorials. Bye.